Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JV from UniqueTutorials. Today I will show the easiest way to make multiple passport photo in a few seconds in your computer. So let's begin. Firstly, open any web browser. Then go to this website onlinepassportphoto.com. Now here you can see its website. So what you need to do is you can select your country and here also you can select the custom formats depending upon your needs. So once the format is selected, you can click this validate these parameters. Now you can drag the photo here directly or you can click on choose file. So here I am dragging my photo. So once it is uploaded, click next. Now you can adjust the position. And once you are done, click crop. So your multiple passport photo is being created. So click on the download the file. So it's being downloaded. So you can see the multiple passport photos is being created. I hope you find it useful and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel, and thanks for watching.